Okay, this is the local museum of Davis, Oklahoma. Didn't know this was here. Just driving by. Check it out. Menswear. Oh, what is this? A check perforator. There you go. The check perforator machine. Great, now I have one more thing to try to go by. I've never actually seen one of these in person. Oh, okay. Cool. More garbage to hoard. I'm gonna have to find one of those now. This is interesting. It's a marker along the boundary separating Creek Nation Indian and the Cherokee Indian Nation. Huh, so this was a marker. That's interesting. Huh. You never know what you find in these little places. Check out that TV. Man, it looks so green. I really do like these clocks. Those are nice. That'd be a nice piece to have. Davis Bottling Company. Okay, so they made soda here. That's pretty cool. It's like a law library in here. That's a real page turner. Microfilm reader. Cash book. Yeah, these are all the old accounting books. They're really quite substantial. Pretty serious book situations. Oh, what is this? Oh, what is this? Like a tool room? That's interesting. A lot of mannequins in here. It's interesting, this iron gate. Oh, that's a cool, pretty cool faucet there from a barber shop. Random foreign Coca-Colas. Oh yeah, the old hair curling machines. These are so wild. They must have made many millions of these because I see these at all the local historical societies. It's terrifying. A grapho type. I was actually looking at one of these for sale recently. These, I think these made dog tags, amongst other things, I'm sure. But it's a machine that imprints into like a sheet of metal. I think that's how they work. It's like a typewriter, but it's meant to like punch into sheets of metal. Wow, look at that. That's quite the rig there. I think it's like a typesetting machine, or I don't know. Linotype. What's this dude's face? Linotype. Well, maybe it's a printing press and typesetter all in one. Maybe that's what it is. It's a pretty elaborate machine. It's a very elaborate machine, actually. It's interesting. Okay, so it was used, the linotype was invented by Otto something or other, 1886. It's used to make newspapers. Okay, so it will build an entire line of type at a time. Okay, so this speeds up the typesetting process. I think that's the gist of it. This made typesetting quicker and more efficient, which was a really big deal back then for printing a newspaper. Boy, if that's interesting. There's some rare equipment here, man. This is some rare equipment. A broom sewing machine. Huh. Fascinating. Yeah, check it out. These are little brooms. Never thought about it. Some type of machine makes a broom. Can't imagine them all being made by hand. Fruit press. Anyway, that's about the gist of it. This is the Davis, Oklahoma Historical Museum, and it's real close to Turner Falls. So, yeah, if you're in the area, come check it out.